My name is John Gallivan. I'm a member of Classic Motorcycle Day Governing Board. There's 8 of us, and I'm the head judge and the announcer. This is our 14th show, 14th year, and it's our 5th year at this location. We're a nonprofit. We donate money to the Montgomery County Police Department Explorer Troop, help sponsor their summer competitions. Today we had about 80 vendors, 300 motorcycles in the show, and the paid gate looked to me to be around 1,500 to 2,000. The day started out cloudy, like now, rain, drizzle. People started coming in anyway. People love this show. This is a fun show. It's a ride-in motorcycle show. It's not a concourse. You got some dirt on your tires, you got a license plate, your cables are adjusted properly, you're going to do better than a fully restored bike without license plates. We had 24 classes that we gave wall plaques for. They're all laser engraved, and 2 special awards. And everything went well. People want those awards. The vendors range from guys selling stuff out of their garage to dealers. We charge everybody the same. It's low cost like it's the 1980s. $10 admission, $25 for a vendor spot that includes admission. Your $10 admission also includes entering the show if you want. Some of the dealers are Ducati dealer from Winchester, Batley Cycles, which is Ducati BMW, Fredericktown Yamaha, Winchester Motorsports, Randy Cycle. But most of them are people that come, empty out the garage, keeps the prices low, makes it a fun event. If you wanted to buy a 650 Triumph motor, there were 4 or 5 of them for sale today in the $600, $700 price range, complete. On eBay, they go for $1,200, $1,300, so it would have paid you to show up. There were 2 antique cycle cars that showed up. One was a cargo version for delivering freight, had a big box on the front, 2 wheels in the front, and the other was a chair in the front, like a taxi cab almost, but open. One won an award and the other one didn't. There were several bikes from the teens. There were 2 bikes from the 30s. There were a couple of bikes from the 40s. Predominantly 50s and 60s motorcycles. There were custom motorcycles. There were 4 women who had bikes entered that won trophies. Their motorcycles, not something that belonged to a husband or a boyfriend, but their personal bikes. The Mondial is an Italian motorcycle, very minor brand. But this bike was beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and that was owned by a gal. And it won basically our best in show, the Bill Ford Memorial Trophy. Bill used to be our announcer here. He passed away a little over a year ago. And we have this award that we give to the bike that Bill would have liked the most. And she was very pleased. Hopefully next year, if you weren't here this year, you'll show up.